Brad Williams, XL prime, separate colors by equal sign. Put into columns 1 and 2 in a new list. Then recognize deficiencies and change them using padding. You use TEXTSPLIT, use a couple different arguments. Similar to previous example, we're going to use the equal sign here, and we're going to split this thing up based on our row limits, our row delimiter. Our output is similar to what we did previously. In this case, recognize, because we're splitting this with an equal, we have white, but we don't have a number associated with white. Produces an error. We can incorporate this looking at our second example using this particular layout, TEXTSPLIT, B17, our delimiter equals, that's our column delimiter, our row delimiter, the comma. Our last argument is this pad width. You can use anything you want, just put it in parentheses, and the output changes that NA into an X. Same thing as an if error, but you can incorporate us all into one little package here. Over here, a narrative that I just explained. This is just trial and error. All this is about with this TEXTSPLIT. There's so many different combinations. There's no way I'm going to cover all of them. We're going to cover probably 7 or 8 more. As I said, I want you to experiment. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for watching.